Okay, welcome back. In the last video, we brought in our side sub-assembly, top and bottom sub-assembly, and our back panel, and brought them together using our constraint tools, namely the mate tool and the flush tool. Here, I've also named this main assembly, and I'm going to bring in another side panel now. But I'm not going to bring the side panel, I'm going to bring the side sub-assembly and open. Place it in there, and I'm going to just rotate that in the Y direction twice. And again, so it's orientated the right way around. I'm just going to delete that one. This should be quite simple. A series of one mate and two flushes, hopefully. So I'm going to select the constraint tool, and I want to mate this face. Do all my joining on that bottom panel here, from there to there, and click apply. I am then going to use the flush tool to flush this edge with this edge. I've heard the donk, so I click apply, and the final move should be selecting the flush this part here to that part there. I've heard the donk, so I click apply. I'm going to click the home view, so it brings it around nicely, and then all you can see we need to do now is bring in the top and bottom panel. So I'm going to place the top and bottom in again, but it's the top and bottom sub-assembly. And open. And again, I'm just going to make sure I rotate this correctly. So this needs to be rotated once in the Z direction, so I can see the cams are facing upwards. So that looks good there. Again, so this should be one mate, two flushes. So mate that edge there to that face there. The donk, apply. I'm just going to check that's done it okay. Yep. So I want to then just two more flushes. Flushing that face there with that one there, and apply. And flushing that part to that part and apply, and click the home button and cancel that there. And I'm going to save it there. And then the final video will fit the shelf and the shelf pegs. Thank you very much.